Hello friends, welcome to Dark Shetty. Today I will show you how to translate your native language to your foreign client language. If you are a new freelancer, this video is for you. Open a browser, search Translate. Then you can find Google Translate. Open this Google Translate. There is a microphone button. So I need to activate this microphone button. First, select your native language, then click this microphone button, then allow while visiting this site. My speaking language is ready. Select English. You can see my speaking language is Bangla and translate language is English. Just tap here. হ্যালো মাইকেল, আশা করি আপনি ভালো আছেন। আপনার কাজটি দেখেছি এবং বুঝতে পেরেছি। আমি আপনার কাজটি খুব স্বল্প সময়ের ভিতর করে দিতে পারবো। I just speak my native language and it will be translate easily.